When I started my cleaning business, it was bigger than money. You know what I mean? It was like I had a plan. Like I knew I had people that I could put on and put in position because of the jobs that I could create. You know what I mean? Like my dad don't work for me, my brother worked for me, my sister worked for me, my mom-in-law worked for me, my cousins-in-law worked for me, my nephew worked for me. Like so many different people, you know what I mean, I've been able to put in position, and it's like instead of just enabling people to stay in the same place that they've been in by loaning them money every time somebody asks you for some money, how about being in a position to get them a job? You know what I mean? Like to put them in position. You know what I mean? Just like my brother, not only was I able to provide him with a job, but I was able to provide him with knowledge because now I'm running a company, and I was able to show him how he can run his own company. Now he got his own cleaning company now, doing six figures just like how I was. You know what I mean? So it's like, it's bigger than just money. It's about putting people in position. It ain't got to be your passion as long as you're passionate about helping people and building business.